or the tip your hand. Oba me nimsa me ware no wa betena fi na wo ya ka trouble na ya de pa no suba boni no be de na Ethiopia. It's too much. Obi a won na na so what did you too much? I think Oba warefo anato 12 be metimi from Oba warefo 11 utimi ne be ma foforo tate Oba warefo o sorry a na fofo you hop from export to export.
No, sometimes you amaze me.
Why wouldn't I amaze you?
Me do want me to was it.
Oh,
it's not many amount for Nico, me nina for me near.
It's limitation.
What's me cherry the menu? What me worry is that me our friend and some I have to do what I have to do.
You don't have to do what you have to do. You do what is needful. You do what is right. That's exactly what you should do.
I will talk to anyone I please. I will.
What man no mo say me ba ware? Man no mo. And your worst decision I've ever made in life. Marrying you.
What the men no mo pebe? What the men no mo ma son mo lie? You consider no me just say na kan what did not give it the second me?
Me na give.
To put it low anyone.
Me na give.
Yes.
Any giant to say you when. Giant you are name giant.
What to giant? Leave me alone. Let me feel free a day. Catch a day.
At the masha also. Me masha also.
You want jam console. What's that?
Men ya dey enye. What ya dey America?
You are who you need.
What's about who to be 10 o'clock now bonte. And you so pass o get 10 now bonte no. Say obi ba, obi so any be no be say we here when. Nya no catch there say my Jimmy.
Call me on phone. Me pay na PH na time dem baby na be fi hat. Won't me catch it too. Rubbish.
I feel mo so adu mo mre pa.
Behaving like that. Please forgive her. Yeah. You know the reason why I'm in this house is to cook for you. So please, if it concerns food or anything, just call me and I'll prepare your meal for you.
It's not about calming down. It's about doing what is right. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't know I was getting married to a beast. Somebody who wouldn't respect me. Somebody who didn't take me for a thing.
I'm very sorry. Like, you see, ladies of today, we are all from a different background. So if she's behaving like that, just calm down then.
Yeah.
I
understand you telling me to calm down.
Yeah.
But I wish you were in my shoes. You would understand me better. You're not a man. So you don't know what I'm going through. If it's all about food, I don't think I will have a problem. If you don't cook home, I can easily walk out there, buy something to eat. But marriage is not all about food. It's about companionship. It's about making prudent decisions for your future. So it's unfortunate you are hearing, us or you see us fight and you think we are fighting over nothing. But understand, there's a story behind every story.
I know.
So it's okay.
Just take it easy with madam.
I would say you are too naive to understand some of these things. Let's end it here. Get inside there. Attend to your chores.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, why don't you have
Anyway, thank you very much.
This is it. What? I'm tired. I was so tired. I was like, I don't need this now, please. Let me sleep. Let me relax, please. I'm tired. I'm very, very tired.
Hello, how do you stay?
I read too much with John. I don't so. Babe, stop. Auntie, stop. Let me sleep.
Well, what is this?
Eddie, stop it!
Hello, what is this?
Me can't say my brain, my pen, because my wake up here now. Sitting now was on my desk. What is that?
So, Ella, why are you starving me? Come on.
I don't need fridge. Go fridge where you know I could. If you touch me again, if you touch me, I'm coming here more. Please what? Please what?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. You can go to the bathhouse, Fansogu, Busogu team, nada.
Is it all about Sogu?
Intimidate. What's that? What's that? Then I. Me proud. Me no one now say not some me no now. I'm not so many so much. I'm make juma.
I no be credit man e juma nti woni na. Mo boss crowd na the juma na dey on na.
Na opesa o try. Me say men here.
Agro bi say jai.
Jai also jai also here no. Oh, I just there no. Me say men here.
Jimmy Wakukusu, Wakwako Jami Sukolio. Oh, Papa Doctor Tremie, that's your name, Kobira, Ejubea, Namino. Every matter, Afa Fante.
Boss, please, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You look very disturbed. But your baby have okay.
It shall be well.
Amen. I know it's because of Madam you are behaving like this. Because I don't understand. It seems every day you've been fighting with her. Please, is everything okay?
Do you think it's my fault?
That's...
To fight her every day?
I can't tell.
Do you think I would like to fight her every day?
I don't think so.
Why would I marry somebody that I love so much? Somebody that I cherish so much, only to bring her home and be fighting her every now and then? Do you think any man in his right senses would do that?
No.
Good. Then understand there's a lot to it than what you know. Sit down. I know you are a kid, like I brought you to this house as a kid. Okay. But considering your age now, you'll not be seen or you'll not be considered as a kid anymore. And think it's about time I open up to you. Because I know aside you working with me, I'm just like your older brother. So it wouldn't be bad for you to know something about me, since you've shown much concern about what I'm feeling. You were here before your madam came, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You were here, we prepared the marriage arrangement, everything together, isn't it? And you bear witness to how much I love her, won't you? Could you believe your madam doesn't respect me? She feels I'm just like a rag. She picks calls every time that she so desire. Midnight calls. And not from her female friends, guys, including her ex-boyfriend.
Jesus.
And she's expecting me to keep quiet. I shouldn't talk about it. At times, I wake up in the night, come and sleep in this couch, simply because she'll be disturbing me with phone calls in my own room. She goes out without telling me wherever she's going. She does what she feels is okay for her. But as to what I'm going through, she doesn't care. Me fighting her is not because I want to fight her. I'm fighting her simply because I want her to come to the right path. I want her to do what is right. And the worst of all, as I told you, is something I wouldn't let it go out, and I wouldn't want it to go out. She even doesn't allow herself for me to sleep with her. She doesn't have sex with me.
Hey. Boss, this is very serious. So this is not how I'm seeing it. Like, this is more than what I was even thinking of.
God, I've swallowed that for a very long time.
So madam has been doing all these things to you?
It's been more than 7 months now. I'm a man, for God's sake. I don't want to cheat on her.
I know.
So why should she, why? Is that what I deserve?
Oh. My boss, why don't you try talking to her? At least call her, tell her maybe this and this and that she's doing that you don't like. I'm sure she's going to change.
Does she look like somebody who would like to listen to me?
My boss, there is no harm in trying. You can try.
I've tried severally, but she wouldn't listen. I don't know what to do anymore.
So just take it easy. Calm down. See.
Me dear, me say mata, send a me na go up on tie. Me see me nyota pa, send a ma ko fa fantoy. Oh si, insurance so. Wadani me abwananka, wachichwi keshwa to me suwe. Odi pobi to me seems all of me kwan sena nido, and mono komi me fana boarding sena nido ye fu. Me di me reshin, last time me grab wash me say kaya mose, I want friendship restaurant yo. Ava fante.
Ella. Ella. Ella, can we talk? Please, I would like to have a word with you.
Oh, yes.
The phone aside, let's talk.
Excuse you.
You heard me right. For God's sake, we can't be fighting like this every time, every now and then. Why can't you calm down for us to talk things over? Huh? Anyway, I would like to apologize for what happened between us. Please, it wouldn't happen again. You actually, some of the words you use hurt me. Is the reason for me, acting that way. But unfortunately, I've thought about it and I've noticed it's not right because I have to calm down. Let me put it that way. So please forgive me, okay? And the bone of contention of our fight, everything that is happening in this house is about your chats. Could you please stop it so that at least we'll be in this house like lovebirds as we used to be? I love you that much. I love you so much. And I wouldn't like to do anything to hurt you. So imagine if I were the one chatting my ex and you find out. Would you be happy? Ella, I don't want any person to hear what is happening with you. See that?
Babes.
6 months since I'm room pa. Person me been cry now. What to tell me why? I would like to make love to you. Passionately like we used to.
Oh, babes. Why are you talking like that? I'm your wife.
Oh, yes.
Anytime you wanna sleep with me or make love to me, you can go ahead and do it.
Wow. That's great.
Hey, relax. Go check so I can't hear you.
Oh, come on. What you say? Yeah. Cassette TV, right?
Yeah. As I said, anytime you wanna do it or have your way in me, I'm available.
That's great. That's what I want.
But babes, I also need 100 million.
100 million. As in 100 million, 10,000
Ghana cedis. I shock you.
Anajui.
Of course.
Where am I getting 10,000 from?
I'm saying if I'm I didn't know free.
You're here with it. Where am I getting 10,000 from? Are you not here with me?
What took you?
Oh, why are you doing this?
What took you? Baby, I'm not young. What is kind of mommy? I told me someone I'm off.
So, as my wife, must you take money from me before you make love to me?
I'm not taking money from you. I'm just asking. Tell you open you request TV, and I'm sorry request TV. It's very simple. And I mean then you're so strange. Be the end there. Ever. How the end there befa?
Allah, you worry. Okay, someone saw for no catch all day. Was if I won't come in kuno?
We didn't want to come.
Nothing the way the other one coming. No, we na be.
Who is supposed to catch us? Say, be my say the beer we risk.
Alas, send you also me.
No, me see me here. Into my man, because I'm not going to confront the mommy.
And I do, Osha them and I do for 10,000.
What the mommy and I'm so happy. Very simple way. Many a bonny baby could do.
No, no, meaning China.
Unya 10,000. 10,000 you enter.
Wait a minute.
Unya and a try.
Come on.
Yeah, let me try. The way peace. When you miss me,
listen.
See. Bemana, you damn it.
Listen. When you say, I will sing a new people in the Bama. You know, I love you so much.
So let me see. Okay, Miss Minya. Off the lights. Hey! Look at what I am a time crowd. Let's say what this country is I'm going for say men nane. Say what a day you man. Where are you?
Every matter.